Izindaba zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa.
As the testimony unfolded, I think it became clear that this was just not going to work practically.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga ngeke sisaqhubeka nokulalelwa kobufakazi bephoyisa eliyi-Witness G esidlangalaleni lokusho ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe ngeke bukwazi ukulalelwa umphakathi.
We want our people to live in clean cities. We want our people to live in cities that are clean, where there's no rubbish all over.
Ubuholi obuphezulu be-ANC buchithe usuku lonke eGqeberha Eastern Cape njengengxenye yokuvuselela amandla eqembu esifundazweni njengoba umengameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa nabanye abaholi begxile ekwakhiweni kabusha kweqembu.
A meeting in which first and foremost the Independent Electoral Commission shared with us the Human Sciences Research Council research report.
Ikhulu zekhomishana yokhetho i-IEC beyihambele enkandla lapho beyihlangene khona nomholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma kanye nobuholi obuphezulu beqembu. I-MK Party senodaba lwesimangalo ngeinsolo zokukhwatshaniswa kwamavotayo okhethweni olwedlule lukazwelonke. Sikubingelele umbukeli sikamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qwa uza kwethu ositolikela ngolimi lwempawu uFortune Madlala ake sibhekeke umbukeli ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi kusihlwa. Sekhomishana kaMadlanga ngeke sisaqhubeka nokulalelwa kobufakazi bephoyisa elingu-Witness G esidlangalaleni lokhu kusho ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe ngeke bukwazi ukulalelwa umphakathi. uWitness G ngelinye lamaphoyisa elisebenza ngaphansi kophiko lwezobunhloli phakathi kobufakazi okukholakala ukuthi buqukethwe uWitness G ukuthi aqinisekise ukuthi bekukhona ukuxhumana obekuqhubeka phakathi kasomabhizinisi ongundabuzekwayo kamuva uBrown Mkhotsi kanye nosomabhizinisi ogubuzelwe ngamacala uVusumuzi Cat Matlala. Ubufakazi bukaWitness G osebuzoqhubeka esithe kulindeleke ukuthi budonse insuku ezimbili. Inseleleke ebhekene nekhomishana njengamanje ukuthi izolisingatha kanjani lolu daba njengoba umphakathi ungeke usakwazi ukuyizwela ngobufakazi bakhe.
It was simply impractical given the technical issues related to this witness's testimony to have the commissioners in the auditorium here. And it was a practical consideration of as per the ruling that was issued by Justice Madlanga on the 24th of April, the intention was to hear part of Witness G's testimony in camera, or should I say off camera, but in public in the sense that Witness G's voice would have been heard and therefore the testimony, but then to move fully in camera, as in no public airing of the testimony and back and forth. So there was that practical consideration, and for that reason it was impractical for them to sit and have the hearing here in the auditorium. And then as the testimony unfolded, I think it became clear that this was just not going to work practically.
Ubuholi obuphezulu be-ANC buchithe usuku eGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape njengengxenye yomzamo wokuvuselela amandla eqembu esifundazweni. Lolu hambo oluholwa ngumengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa kanye nabanye abaholi abaphezulu lugxile ekwakhiweni kabusha kweqembu, iy'nselele zokuphatha kanye nokuxhumana namagatsha.
Umongameli weqela le-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa ugxeke ukungacoceki kwendawo yokucoca amanzi amdaka i-Fishwater Flats eGqeberha. Nangona kunjalo, ukwancomela umasipala uMbaxa ngenkqubela phambili kwiiprojekthi ezininzi.
I'm encouraging them to take the water from the city and make it more portable to be reused after proper cleaning, so that this facility is able to pay for itself and wash its own face. All they have to do is to look after this plant. It looks horrible. There's grass all over, but the plant is working.
uRamaphosa ukwagxininise ukubaluleka kokuba ucoceke lo masipala. Okwemva kokuba wayegxeke lo masipala ngokungacoceki kutyelelo lwakhe oludlulileyo.
Our people are neat people themselves, and therefore they deserve to live in a very well-run city from an administrative point of view, political point of view, and organizational point of view.
Usihlalo we-ANC uGwede Mantashe ucebise lo masipala uMbaxa ukuba ujongane neziseko zophuhliso ezifuna ukulungiswa ngaphambi kokuba zide zidilike.
Into ebaluleke kakhulu kukuba ziwile ezipali kwamnyama apha kodwa bayibuyisele ukulayita ingaphelanga iveki ezimbini. Loo nto ibalulekile kakhulu kuba iceba abantu siyabamamela.
Le komiti iza kuqhubeka nokutyelela umasipala abambaxa phambi kwexesha lokuvota ngoNovemba. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, ndinguNandipha Platyi eGqeberha.
Uze komishana yokhetho i-IEC beyihambele enkandla lapho beyihlangene khona nomholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma kanye nobuholi obuphezulu beqembu. I-MK Party isenodaba lwesimangalo ngeinsolo zokukhwatshaniswa kwamavoti ayo okhetho lwedlule lukazwelonke.
Eminyakeni emibili emva kokhetho likazwelonke, iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lisamile ekutheni lizophonzela inselelo imiphumela yokhetho. Umhlangano sekunesikhathi ubhekiwe phakathi kwe-IEC nobuholi be-MK Party bekuhloswe ngawo ukudingida izinto okubalwa kuzo udaba olusesenkantolo namanje kanye nelokuvota kwabantu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Yize lezi inhlangothi zombili ichazela umhlangano njengowakhayo, azikaboni ngasolinye kwezinye izinto ezimqoka. Kamuva nje uZuma ubeke umbono ukuthi alihlehle ukhetho lohulumeni bendawo njengoba kusalindwe umphumela wecala labo mayelana nokhetho ledlule. MK Party ithi same kulokho namanje.
It was an excellent meeting that we had. A meeting in which first and foremost the Independent Electoral Commission shared with us the Human Sciences Research Council research report on the issue of what is in overall the social outlook for voters in this country.
I-IEC ithi nomsebenzi wokuqinisekisa ukuthi yakuvikela okwenziwa yiyo kanti futhi isebenza ngaphandle kokwesaba nangokwenzelela.
The elections coming in November are elections that require concerted preparations from all electoral stakeholders.
Lezi inhlaka zombili ziphinde zadingida udaba lombiko womkhandlu wezokuqhutshwa kocwaningo omayelana nokuvota kwabantu. Lo mbiko uveza ukuthi abavoti bakwaZulu-Natal ibona sebedikibele kakhulu ngokuvota. MK Party kanye ne-IEC bavumelene ngokuthi bazophinde bahlangane kubhungwe ngamaphuzu okungavunyelwananga ngawo.
Udokotela Ngobani Makhubu seqalile ngokusemthethweni ihlandla lakhe leminyaka emihlanu njengokhomishana wesikhungo esiqoqa intela kuleli iSouth African Revenue Services engena noma ke engena ezicathulweni zika Edward Kiswetter.
Central to the work that we will continue to do is how to expand the tax base. It's going to be a priority for me. We've got quite a narrow tax base in some products, and that worries me. We've got an issue with the illicit trade, illicit economy. We want to focus on that over the next 100 days, working with others in government. But number three, we want to zone in onto issues of ethical conduct within the tax administration as well, just to make sure that we are all beyond reproach in terms of our conduct, because if our conduct is beyond reproach, it gives confidence to the taxpayer. So largely, those are some of the things that I'm going to be focusing on. Importantly for me, we are also moving towards the filing season, and I'm going to be quite focused in the next 100 days to make sure that the filing season is planned and that it is executed in a seamless manner.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Aaron Motsoaledi uthi inyathelo sayithathiwe ukuvimbela ukusabalala kwegciwane iHunter virus eningizimu Afrika. Lokhu kulandela ukugula kwabanye abagibeli bomkhumbi wamazwe omhlaba lapho sekushone khona abantu ababili.
Are flu-like symptoms. The person gets headache, general body pains, sometimes abdominal pains, even vomiting. That's how the symptoms start. From there, depending on what strain infected you, it can move over to what we call Hunter's pulmonary syndrome, like these patients where it's a respiratory problem. Or it can move to what is called hemorrhagic renal syndrome, where you start having bleeding problems and also you develop renal failure. So these ones have got Hunter's pulmonary syndrome, and but when it starts like ordinary flu, like as I'm saying, ordinary flu symptoms. But this is a virus. Remember, viruses don't usually have no treatment. It's just management. We just try to manage them.
Mbukeli hoko manje sathi nje kequ eyitolo siyabiya nezinye indaba zosuku nganyakazi. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele indabeni zakusihlwa asikhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani mbukeli ngiyakuthembisa uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Izakhamuzi zaseKatlehong zithi kunzima ukuphila kule ndawo ngemva kokuqhuma kwesitamkonko nesidale iphunga elingelihle lendle. Kusenjalo nabafundi besikole sakuleya ndawo bathi kuphazamisa ukufunda ngokwejwayelekile njengoba leli iphunga lingabekezeleki.
Iphunga elinuka lapha linkenkethisa ikhanda kanti lokhu sekwaba insakavukela umchilo wesidwaba ebantwini abahlala kule ndawo. Izakhamuzi zithi kwesinye isikhathi indle ingena igeleze endlini la isuke izolala khona kuphoqa ukuthi ilale kunjalo kuvimbanisile. Zethemba ukuthi undunankulu uzoza nesisombululo.
It's been more than a year sicomplaina kunabantu abadala iswiriji baphumela kuye endlini mawuphuma bekunyawo ngaphandle ubekela phezulu kweswiriji sineytrade ezivalekile zivalwe iswiriji.
Imeya sekuruleni uNkosindiphi Xhakaza utho kunye okulethe inkinga ukuthi abanye abantu bakha endaweni engafanele.
Also building, erecting their own houses into municipal servitude and all that, and it creates a bit of problems for us to, respond on time.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi kuyisho ukuthi ingane kudingeke ukuthi ibhikishe kwaphazamiseka ukufunda. Owengamele ezemfundo uthi ikhona inhlelo zokubuyisa lesikhathi esilahlekile.
Sifuna ukuyenza sure ukuthi sicazulula inkinga yesuwa ekhona eyenza ukuthi abantwana bangakhona ukuthi bafunde kule viki elindlulile futhi kune amanye amalanga amaningi abantwana bangakhona ukufunda ngenxa yesuwa.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesufi uyavuma ukuthi abanye omasipala babhekene nengqinamba wathi uhulumeni kumele asheshe ngenelele kule mpica abadala.
This is an unbearable situation, completely unacceptable that people are living under these conditions. But we can't lament, we have to act. We are government, we have to intervene, we have to put resources.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Ungqongqoshe wezemfundo ephakeme uBhuti Manamela usefake iNSFAS ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli ihlandla lesithathu kuleminyaka emihlanu edlule.
This decision was not taken lightly. It follows a long process of engagement, legal assessment, governance intervention, and consideration of alternatives. And so allow me to briefly point out how we arrived at this point. When I assumed office as Minister of Higher Education and Training, concerns already existed regarding the constitution of the NSFAS board. Following legal assessment and advice, the department approached the courts through self-review proceedings concerning the processes through which the board had been constituted. We took this step because government cannot knowingly ignore potential legal irregularities in the constitution of a statutory body entrusted with billions of rands in public funds and the futures of millions of students.
Abahlaziyi baxwayisa ngokuthi ukwenyuka kwentengo yopetrol nekadizili ngolwesithathu kuzofaka enkulu ingcindezi kubathengi asebevele bedonsa kanzima.
Imininingwane evela eminyangweni wezokumbiwa phansi intengo yaphethiloli izonyuka ngamarandi ama3.27 cent ilitha kanti udizili wona uzonyuka ngamarandi ayisithupha no 19 cent ilitha bese kuthi uparafini wona uzonyuka ngamarandi amane.22 cent ilitha. Abahlaziyi bezezimakethe baqagola ukuthi nakuba uhulumeni ezamile ukuthi athwale izindleko sentengo kaphethiloli kodwa ke kusazosinda kwehlele kubantu bakuleli.
In this case, we are talking about the taxes when it comes to the general fuel, and hence we have seen them helping us by postponing the implementation thereof. But unfortunately, other things are totally out of their control, as we know that they are trading in a free market, just like the rent itself, it's a floating exchange rate.
Bathi ukunyuka kwentengo yaphethiloli kuzoshaya kuzwele kakhulu endleleni yokuphila nsuku zonke.
For consumers, this is not just about filling up at the pump. We know that fuel is a key input cost across the economy, and so the impact of rising fuel prices feeds through into higher transport prices quite quickly, potentially into higher food prices, and ultimately it also risks raising broader inflationary pressures.
Kwenzeka lokhu nje uNgqongqoshe wezimali uEnoch Godongwana usanda kumemezela ukuxegiswa kwentela yalokho emva kokuthi amalungu eParliamente enxenxe uhulumeni ngokuthi angenelele ngokohlelo lwemali eqoqwe isikhungu sentela iSARS esigabeni sonyaka mali u2025 kanye no2026.
Iziphathimandla zezenhlekelele eKapa zinxusa abashayeli kanye nezakhamuzi zalapha ya ukuba ziqaphe ngeso lokhozi isimo sezulu njengoba kulindeleke umsingo bandayo eWestern Cape.
Basemagunyeni bathi abaqhubi mabathobe isantya bandise umgama ngokulandelelana ezindleleni kwaye baqinisekise ukuba izithuthi zabo zikwisimo esikhuselekileyo. Abanye babahlali bathi bakulindele ukuba bazikhusele kule mozulu inkenenkene.
Besikhumbula iwinter nemvula kuba elelanga belisitshisa kakhulu but ngoku seyifikile ubona neeceilings zivuza ungayazi nokuba nayo imvula isukaphi.
Amaxabiso amafutha esinyithi anyukile kwinyanga kaTshazimpuzi nalapho kwekaCanzibe nawo ongeza kumvambo osele ukho phantsi kwezimeko uluntu elijamelene nazo.
Yasichaphazela ngohlobo lobana iparafini zinyukile asi-afford ngoku iparafini and siphila ngayo ke ngoku iparafini. So yasichaphazela nyhani siyagodola sikwazi ulayita iihitha zethu kabandi iduru iparafini.
Kusenjalo abahlali bathi banqwenela ukuba urhulumente kumele abe nezicwangciso ezingcono zokuqubisana nale micelimingeni eza nemozulu kwixa elizayo.
But igaske ugovernment xa kungekanithi abeke aside ibudget for ukulungiselela abantu abahlala kwi-squatter camps because every year bafumana the same thing bayanethelwa bangenelwa ngamanzi endlini. It's an ongoing thing yenzeka every year.
Ngumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Itolo sizobeke sesikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu nesangoma sezulu umkhushulwa Msimanga.
Ngibonga noxolo ngisho ngithi kwaze kwentokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sesisho sithi aqhubeka lamathuba athanda umamakhulu emvula nje ezingaphelezela ukuduma kakhulukazi engxenyeni senkabeni lapha ko Northwest yongena kolese Freestata naphansi lapha eStern Cape engxenyeni sempumalanga abe mancane lapha eGauteng kodwa ke mawungena enyakatho yaZulu Natal komhlaba yalengana koManguza kongwavuma phansi amaphaphu kulozo ndawo siqhubeke sithi mancane futhi mawungena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ezingaseningizimu lamathuba aye ngumamakhulu kodwa mawungena ke entshonalanga kakhulukazi engxenyeni ezilapha ngaseKapa kanti ke masiyobheka osuku lakusasa kusasa sisho sithi asaqhubeka namathuba amakhulu kakhulu emvula ikakhulukazi mawungena enkabeni yezwe eNorth West yongena kwelase Gauteng kanjalo naseMpumalanga eFreystata kanjalo nalapho KwaZulu-Natal phansi lapha eStern Cape singawalindela lamathuba amakhulu kakhulu alezimvula lithande nje ukukhitika mawungena ke entabeni zalapha eStern Cape kulozo ndawo emva kwale wamsengobandayo ngapha ngasentshonalanga angaya ngokwahla kodwa amathuba mawungena ngasentshonalanga kanti ke siyasho sithi South African Weather Service iyasikhipha isixwayiso salezi imvula ezinomgozi ezingabe isigaba sesibili mawungena ke engxenyeni esenkabeni uyongena eMpumalanga koloni ikakhulukazi lapha enkabeni yase-Eastern Cape kanti ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka usuku lakusasa sisekhona leso sixwayiso ikakhulukazi lapha eGauteng yongena kwelaseFreystata kanjalo naseMpumalanga KwaZulu-Natal ngasenyakatho komhlaba uyalingana singalindela ukuthi ke kube isigaba sesithupha kulozo ndawo nakwezinye indawo lapha koxhopho komzimkhulu kanjalo naseningizimu ikakhulukazi lapha eStern Cape singalindela ukuthi kube isigaba sesithupha kulozo ndawo ngapha ngasentshonalanga mawungena lapha koPort West kanjalo nakoSutherland cha singalindela ukuthi ke siqhubeke lesigaba sesibili kanti ke masibheka amazinga aphansi ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke kuthande nje ukubanda nje ngokuphakathi mawungena engxenyeni esenkabeni ikakhulukazi mawungena lapha koBloemfontein koQwaqwa kanti kwezinye indawo lingathanda nje futhi ke ukubanda koDR nokho kodwa ngapha ngasentshonalanga lingathanda ukuba phakathi lingufudumala mawungena endaweni ezingasogwini lapha KwaZulu-Natal ngophuma enhlavelanga ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke nokho phansi amaphaphu lapha KwaZulu-Natal lisashisa mawungena lapha komhlaba uyalingana nokho lingathanda ukuba phakathi kwezinye indawo kodwa ukuthi ukubanda mawungena ke kweleseFreystata lapha eQoqo Phuta Ditshaba uyongena eGauteng umoya obandayo uzobe ungakafiki ungena eMbombela lifudumale lithi uqhubeka nokushisa mawungena ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ezilapha koMessina kanti ke eStern Cape azobe sengenile namakhaza ke athanda ukushubisa unkantshi ikakhulukazi ke endaweni ephakeme uyakhumbula ukuthi ngeke ngasho ngathi ke lingathanda ukukhitheka kulezo ndawo entshonalanga lishubisa unkantshi mawungena lapha koSutherland kubande futhi nalapha koSprings mbukela ngivumele ngithi ke ngethethe indaba enobusuku obuhle.
Mbukeli ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.